Welcome, I'm Dr. Hastings. Thank you for joining me today. As you know, I'm both a Softwave practitioner and distributor, and I love to give these updates on these amazing cases that we're having. Last week and the week before, we had a lady come in who had had terrible tooth infections, and it was so bad that it left her bedridden for 5 years. And it led to all kinds of problems, and it led to chronic sinus infections, inflammation in her brain, and she was unable to do anything. And we were able to turn her around, and it's how we did it. It was so interesting is we did that technique, which I've shown in a couple of the other videos, where you take this common packing material that won't allow the sound waves to go through it, and you tape it over the center of the applicator, and you're able to treat very, very tiny focal areas. The reason why this was so important is because these sound waves travel at over 3,000 miles an hour, and they can knock fillings out and knock veneers off. And so we had to treat places on her face without affecting the teeth themselves. At any rate, she did 5 treatments with us, and all of her symptoms went away. And I've really got to tell you, after 30 years in practice, this is the most exciting time in my life. I cannot believe these incredible outcomes that we're getting. So anyway, I'm going to give you my personal cell phone number. If you'd like to call me, if you have any kind of questions, if you're a practitioner, or if you're looking to become a practitioner. My telephone number is 831-662-2641. I would love to talk to you. Have a great day.
So my name is Judy Day, and I've known Mark Hastings for about 30 years. And my medical history, what brought me here was I had root canals done in 2004 that were infected pretty much immediately, like within a few days. Then in 2015, 10 years later, I started getting sick, and my constant sore throat, constant glands, a lot of body pain. It finally debilitated me over the years to where I could barely take a shower a couple times a week. I couldn't really walk. I'd get up and empty the dishwasher. I'd be exhausted. Couldn't work, couldn't think, couldn't concentrate, couldn't focus. So anyway, Mark told me about this treatment he had, and because I've known Mark for 30 years, I don't think I'd let many people take this thing and aim it at my brain, but I had complete confidence in him, so I did. And I got my first treatment. Everything just relaxed, and I felt so amazing immediately. I could just feel like my brain coming online, and the health and the vitality and my energy, and I was just like on fire again. After like 6 years of debilitating illness, it's like just light years different.